In this video, we'll be discussing what a CV is, the various sections of a CV, and providing helpful tips and examples along the way. So sit back, relax, and let's dive right in. Before we begin, let's answer a question that many viewers may be wondering. What exactly is a CV? A CV, also known as a curriculum vitae or resume, is a document that is typically 1 to 2 pages long, in which you list your personal and professional details, such as your qualifications, professional experience, skills, and achievements. Essentially, a CV is a summary of all your work-related experiences and accomplishments that enable an employer or a university to evaluate whether you are suitable for a particular role or program. Now that we understand what a CV is, let's take a closer look at the various sections of a CV. Our CV will consist of the following sections. 1. Introduction, personal information. Begin your CV with a brief section including your name, address, phone number, and email address. This section provides the reader with basic contact information required to reach you for further inquiries. Here you can see a good example. 2. Objective. This section provides a concise introduction to your qualifications, experience, skills, and career goals. This section should be tailored to the specific role or program you are applying for. Here you can see a good example. Self-motivated and experienced marketing professional with a bachelor's degree in business administration. Passionate about promoting brands and driving sales growth. Desiring a challenging role in a leading organization to contribute to its strategic marketing objectives. 3. Professional experiences, work experience. In this section, you will provide a detailed account of your relevant professional experiences, including your job title, the name and location of the company, the employment period, and a brief description of your roles and responsibilities. Highlight your achievements and the value you added to your previous employers. Here you can see a good example. Marketing Coordinator ABC Company, Vancouver, BC. January 2018. Present, 5 years. Key achievements. Successfully designed and implemented marketing campaigns, resulting in a 20% increase in sales within 2 quarters. Collaborated with the marketing team to develop and launch product launches, generating a total revenue of $30,000 within 3 months. Managed social media accounts, achieving an average engagement rate of 30% on Twitter and 400 followers on Instagram. 4. Education and certifications. In this section, you will detail your educational background, including the name, location, and duration of your studies. If you have any relevant certifications, e.g., a professional certificate, be sure to include those as well. A fine example can be Bachelor of Business Administration, XYZ University, New York City, Newark. September 2013 to May 2017, 4 years. 5. Skills and proficiencies. In this section, you will present a list of your strongest skills and capabilities, focusing on those that are most relevant to the role or program you are applying for. These skills may include computer software proficiency, specific languages spoken or written, and any specialized training or certifications. Example: Microsoft Office Suite, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. Adobe Creative Suite, Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign. Google Analytics and AdWords certification. Social media marketing expertise, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. Fluent in English, proficient in Spanish, with basic knowledge of French. 6. Professional development, professional memberships and affiliations, if applicable. If you possess any relevant professional memberships or affiliations, it's a good idea to list them in this section. They can enhance your credibility and demonstrate your commitment to your profession, sector, or industry. Example: Member of the American Marketing Association, AMA. 7. Additional information. If there's additional information that you believe could be beneficial to the reader, include it here. For example, you might include volunteer work, charitable endeavors, or any other personal or professional achievements that could strengthen your profile. Example: Volunteer with Vancouver Crisis Center, VCC. 8. Publications and presentations, if applicable. If you have any academic, professional, or research publications, conference presentations, journal articles, or book chapters, be sure to create a separate section to highlight these accomplishments. Include the title of the publication or presentation, the name of the journal or conference, and the publication date or presentation date. Example: Publication 1. Driving Revenue Growth Through Innovative Social Media Marketing Strategies. Journal of Marketing Communications, Volume 3, Issue 4. Publication date: October 2020. 9. Certifications and licenses, if you have any. If you possess any relevant professional certifications or licenses, create a separate section to list these achievements. Include the name of the certification or license, the issuing organization, and the certification or license expiration date, if applicable. Example: Certification 1. CPC, Certified Professional Career Coach. International Coach Federation, ICF. Expiration date: December 25, 22. 10. References. Finally, consider creating a separate section at the end of your CV that lists the names, job titles, and contact information of at least 3 professional references, previous supervisors, professors, or colleagues. Do not include personal references in the section. Example: Mary Doe Supervisory Manager, XYZ Company, Vancouver, BC. Email address: mary.doe@syscompany.com. Before ending our video, here are some additional helpful tips to remember while writing your CV. 1. Quantify your achievements whenever possible, including specific numbers, percentages, and timeframes helps to paint a more vivid picture of your accomplishments and can make a significant difference in capturing a recruiter's or admissions officer's attention. Example: Increased website traffic by 70% through implementing SEO strategies. Managed a team of 5 social media marketing executives. 2. Use a clear structure and appropriate formatting. Using bullet points, clear headings, and appropriate white space makes your CV more visually appealing and easier for a reader to quickly scan. 3. Customize your CV for each application. Submitting a generic CV across multiple job applications or university program submissions is unlikely to elicit the best results. Instead, take the time to research the particular role, organization, values, or specific requirements and tailor your CV accordingly. 4. Optimize your CV's searchability. To improve the chances of your CV being found through online searches, use relevant keywords and phrases throughout your CV, including in your professional summary and within your work experience and education sections. 5. Ask for feedback and recommendations. Seek input and advice from academic or professional mentors or career counselors, as well as individuals currently working in your target job roles or industries. Gaining multiple perspectives can be incredibly helpful in refining and improving your CV. 6. Review your CV's layout on various devices. Be sure to preview and check how your CV displays on different devices, including computers, tablets, and smartphones. Ensure that your CV's font size, line spacing, and formatting remain clear and easy to read regardless of the viewing platform. 7. Maintain an electronic copy and file of your CV. Keeping a digital file of your CV readily accessible and easily editable facilitates swift and simple updates to your CV when new work experiences, educational qualifications, or skills are acquired. 8. Start brainstorming by creating a list of your skills, experiences, and achievements. Before sitting down to write your CV, spend some time jotting down all of your key qualifications, experiences, and achievements. 9. Use a professional and consistent format throughout your CV. 10. Highlight your accomplishments and achievements using specific examples. 11. Use bullet points and concise language to make your CV easy to read. 12. Avoid unnecessary personal information, such as your age, marital status, or religious affiliation. 13. Optimize your CV for ATS, applicant tracking system, by using keywords and phrases relevant to the job you are applying for. 14. Proofread your CV multiple times, asking a friend or mentor to review it as well. 15. Consider having a professional edit your CV for a polished and error-free document. 16. Keep your CV up to date and store it in a cloud-based platform like Google Drive or Dropbox. 17. Be honest and ethical in your representation of your skills, experience, and qualifications. Thank you for watching our guide on how to write a good CV. We hope you found it useful, and we encourage you to start revising your own CV. Remember, every new draft gets you closer to the ultimate goal, landing your dream job or securing your spot in your desired university program. Let's create, innovate, and make a positive difference in the world, one CV at a time. For more tips and guides on crafting winning CVs and other career-related topics, be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for future videos. Until then, happy job hunting and best of luck with your applications.